हेलो स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप? आई होप आप सब अच्छे हो। आज जो मैं वीडियो लेके आई हूँ वो आंसर की है एचपी हाई कोर्ट क्लर्क पेपर, जो एग्जाम आज ही हुआ है, तो इसके आंसर की लेके आई हूँ। तो मैं सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर यहाँ पे बताऊंगी आपको। अगर आपको मेरा चैनल इंफॉर्मेटिव लगता है तो प्लीज इसको लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो मैं सीधा यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन 1 से स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ। सो आप अपने अपने क्वेश्चन के आंसर को मैच कर लीजिए ताकि आपको ये पता लग जाए कि आपके कितने आंसर ठीक हैं, करेक्ट हैं, और आपके कितने मार्क्स बन रहे हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन 1। क्वेश्चन 1 इज हु इज द सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस एज ऑफ 2025। तो स्टूडेंट, इसका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए ऑप्शन है। नाउ द second question is the Paris agreement is related to। so the Paris agreement जो हुआ है वो क्लाइमेट चेंज से रिलेटेड है, इसका ऑप्शन सी है। देन आफ्टर the third question is the headquarters of the World Bank is located in। इसका आंसर सी है, वॉशिंगटन डीसी। The question 4 is the world's highest waterfall, Angel Fall, is located in which country? तो इसका आंसर सी है। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है which country exited the European Union in 2020? तो इसका आंसर भी सी है, यूके। सिक्स क्वेश्चन है आपका इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस इज लोकेटेड इन। इसका आंसर इज also C, the Hague। Then question 7, which Asian country hosted the 2024 Summer Olympic held in 2021? So due to COVID pandemic, it was hosted by Japan। इसका आंसर है बी। Then eighth question है the current president of France 2025 is। so इसका आंसर सी है। स्टूडेंट सभी अपने आंसर मैच कर लें। देन क्वेश्चन 9 है the Belt and Road Initiative is associated with। इसका आंसर सी है, चाइना। क्वेश्चन 10 है the UN Security Council has how many permanent members? तो इसका आंसर मैंने नहीं मार्क किया है स्टूडेंट, तो इसका आंसर मुझे नहीं पता था तो मैंने नहीं मार्क किया है। क्वेश्चन 11 है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज इज नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ ASEAN। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है इंडिया, ऑप्शन सी। देन क्वेश्चन 12 द इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन। सो क्वेश्चन 12 का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, 1944। Then question 13, which Indian state has the largest population? Answer is B, Uttar Pradesh। Question 14, what is the total number of seats in the Lok Sabha? Answer A है 545। Then question 15, नीति आयोग replaced which planning body? Answer है इसका प्लानिंग कमीशन। Then question 16, who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? तो इसका आंसर है B, President। Then question 17, which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? The famous question and very important. Most of the paper this question have been asked. So answer is a C, Bengaluru। 80th question है the goods and service tax was implemented in India from। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, 1 जुलाई 2017। then which Indian is known as a missile man of India? इस बुक भी है और ये सबको ये आंसर आता होगा, APJ अब्दुल कलाम, जो कि हमारे राष्ट्रपति भी रह चुके थे। What is the name of the 20th question? What is the name of the India's first indigenously developed aircraft carrier? So इसका आंसर है A, INS विक्रांत। 21st क्वेश्चन है the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh as on November 2022 was Jairam Thakur. A option है इसका. Then 22, which state was formed in 2000 along with Jharkhand and Uttarakhand? Option है इसका A, छत्तीसगढ़. Question 23 है, which Indian state has the longest coastline? So answer है A option, Gujarat. Then 24, the headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India is located in option B, Mumbai. Then question 25, the Right of Education Act was passed in option C, 2009. Then question 26, the three rivers connected with Tigata are option C, Satluj, Ravi and Bias. Then 27, the Asian name of Kangra town was, इसका आंसर होगा नगरकोट. मैंने यहाँ पे हाईलाइट नहीं किया है, बट इसका करेक्ट 27 का करेक्ट आंसर है सी, नागरकोट. Then 28, the Asian name of कुल्लू is, कुल्लू का जो एशियंट नेम है वो कालुथ है. तो इसका जो एशियन नेम है ऑप्शन ए जो है वो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. Then 29, the first person from Himachal Pradesh appointed as governor, option B, Ramlal. How many working judges are in HP High Court Shimla nowadays, including the Chief Justice? So स्टूडेंट, इसका आंसर मुझे नहीं आता था इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे मार्क नहीं किया है. Then 31st, Tamera Hydel project is in. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डी, चंबा. The first woman Chief Justice of HP High Court was. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ए, लीला सेठ. Then 33, question 33, Dalai Lama came to Dharamshala in. So correct option is C, 1960. Then 34, when did a massive earthquake hit Kangra? Option B, 4th April 1905. So 35th question है, where is Asia's largest hydro project Nathpa Jhakri power crop situated? Answer है C option, Kinnaur. Rampur is located at the bank of river. 36 question and answer is A, Satluj. 37 question, who was the first lady speaker of Himachal Pradesh? Answer is C, Sarla Sharma. Then 38, how many domestic airports are in HP state? Answer is B, 3. When Himachal Pradesh University was established? Answer is B, 1970. The Sino-Indian war between China and India was occurred in option is C, 1962. Then 41 question, Srimati Indira Gandhi was assassinated in option B, 1984. Then question 42, India's first nuclear blast at Pokhran in Rajasthan took place in option B, 1974. Then in cricket, the two sets of wickets are, answer is option C, 22 yards apart. Then question 44, in cricket, run taken when the ball passes the batsman without touching his or body is called by, option B. Question 45, in big cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, police is headed by, option A, Commissioner of Police. Then question 46, Lala Lajpat Rai is also known as, answer is C, both A and B. Then 47, the island of Sri Lanka, formerly known as, answer C, Ceylon. Then question 48, Guwahati High Court is the judiciary of right and correct answer is D, option all of the above. Then 49th question, Film and TV Institute of India is located at, option is A, Pune, Maharashtra. Then 50 question, the ozone layer restrict at, answer is B, ultraviolet radiation. 51st question, for seeing object at the surface of water from a submarine underwater, the instrument used is option is B. Then 52, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute is at option is A, Darjeeling. Then 53 question, the Yarlung Ganjbu River in India is known as, answer is C, Brahmaputra. Then 54th question, the Salal project is on the river, is answer is A, option Chenab. Then 55th question, the number of scheduled languages classified under the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India are option B 22. Then question 56, the Shimla Convention is an agreement that sets, answer is C, boundary between India and Tibet. Then question 57, gilt edges marked means, correct answer is option B, market of government securities. 58th question, depreciation means, correct answer is option B, loss of equipment over time due to wear and tear. Then 59th question, India changed over to the decimal system of coinage in option B, April 1957. 60th question, the ratio of the width of our national flag to its length is very important question. Number of exams this question has have been asked. This question has been asked. So the correct answer is B, 2 ratio 3. 61st question, the word Satyamev Jayate inscribed below the base plate of the emblem of India are taken from option C, Mundak Upanishad. 62 question, the Holy Book of Paris is, answer C is correct answer. Then 63 question, in which of following festival boat races a special feature, answer is A, Onam. Then 64 question, the President Lok Sabha is, the correct answer is the 80th Lok Sabha. 65 question, the number of rights that can be prayed for the issued by the Supreme Court and or a High Court is option C, 5. The minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India is option A, 25 years. 67 question, what is an email attachment? So correct answer is option B. Then 68th question, which of following is not a real security threat and privacy risk? Answer is spam. So correct answer is spam. 69th question, the smallest unit in a digital system is a, correct answer is B option, bit. Which of the following is a web browser? Correct answer is C. 71 question, junk email is also called, correct answer is A, spam. 72 question, a man buys a pen for rupees 60 and sell it for rupees 70. What is his profit percentage? Correct answer is B. Then 73 question, if a train travels 60 kilometers in 1 hour and 30 minutes, what is its average speed? Answer A is correct answer, 40 kilometers per hour. 74 question, what will be the cost of 3.5 kg of sugar if 1 kg cost 42? Is answer is A, 147. You earn rupees 75 question is, you earn rupees 500 per day. In how many days will you earn 50,000? Correct answer is B option, 30 days. 76 question, a car gives a mileage of 20 km per hour. How many liters are needed to travel 250 km? 77 is misprint, so ignore it. Correct answer is B, 12.5 liter. 77 question, if two pencil cost rupees 8, how much do 10 pencils cost? Answer A option rupees 40. 78th question. A shirt marked at rupees 800 is sold for rupees 640. What is the discount percentage? Correct answer is option A 20%. 79 question. If 5 workers can complete a job in 12 days, how many workers are needed to complete the same job in 4 days? Correct answer is A option 15. Then 80th question. A basket contains 4 apples and 6 oranges. If you pick one fruit randomly, what is the probability of picking an apple? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. 81 question. What is the 10% of 1500? Correct answer is A, rupees 150. Then 82. If 1 dozen eggs cost 72, what is the cost of 7 eggs? So option A is correct, rupees 42. 83 question. Ram bought 2 shirts for rupees 750 each. He gave a rupees 1000 note. How much balance should be shopkeeper return? So I think the correct answer is here 0 rupees note of 1500. Student, correct your answer wisely. Note of 1500, here answer is a 0 rupees, right? 84th question. You fill 2 bottles with 1 liter each in 5 minutes. How many minutes will it take to fill 10 bottles? So correct answer is 25 minutes. Option B is correct. 85 question. What is the largest continent in the world? Answer is C option, Asia. Asia. 86 question. What is the longest river in the world? Option B is correct, Nile. Then 87 question. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following countries? So correct answer is option A, India. 88 question. Mount Everest lies on the border between which two countries? So correct answer is option B, China and Nepal. 89th question. Which is the smallest country in the world by area? Option C is correct. Question 90. Which is the world's largest desert? Option D is correct. 91 question. The equator passes through which of the following countries? So option A is correct, Kenya. 92. Which ocean is the largest by surface area? So option D is correct, Pacific Ocean. Question 93. The Great Barrier Reef is located in which country? Option C is correct, Australia. Then 94. Which of the following country has the most number of time zone? Answer C is correct, France. Which Indian river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? So answer C is correct, Damodar. 96th question. The Deccan Plateau is located in which part of India? Option B is correct, South India. The 97 question. Which Indian state is the largest by area? Rajasthan is correct. 98th question. Which is the deepest ocean trench in the world? So option B is correct. Then 99 question. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? So option A is correct, Colombo. Which Indian lake is the largest salt water lake? Pilika Lake. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. तो ये थे आपके आंसर की. आई होप आपने ये आंसर अपने आंसर के साथ मैच किए हो और आपको ये वीडियो गाइडिंग वीडियो लगा हो और आपको ये हेल्प हुई हो कि आपके कितने मार्क्स आपके पेपर में बन रहे हैं. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ा भी गाइडिंग लगा हो तो प्लीज इसको दूसरे स्टूडेंट के साथ जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा, लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा ताकि मैं आपके लिए नई नई वीडियो ला सकूं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.